to Jojo Bee. Sing, dance, and learn colors, numbers, ABCs, and more. Buzz into a world of fun where rhymes and giggles never stop. Let's sing and play. Jojo Bee.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O.
He dipped his brush in the paint, but as he reached for the first rung of the ladder, his boot caught on the bucket's handle. "Whoa there!" he whopped.
The red paint landed with a giant SP lat right on Wiggles the pig, who was sleeping soundly in the sun.
"Oink!" squealed Wiggles, and he scrambled away as fast as his little legs could carry him.
Bessie had never seen a running strawberry before. She was so startled she jumped in the air and kicked over her big trough of water. Sploosh! The water from the trough splashed all over Henrietta the hen and her fluffy chicks, who were practicing their pecking. Cluck, cluck, C-L-Uke, jattered Henrietta. She shook her wet feathers, sending a shower of water droplets.
Old MacDonald sighed and picked up his wet overalls, but the wet clothes were slippery. They slid right out of his hands. Not being able to see, he stumbled backward, right into a wheelbarrow full of freshly picked apples. The wheelbarrow tipped. Old MacDonald pulled the overalls off his head. He saw the red pig chasing apples, the surprised cow licking. He wasn't mad. He just sat down and laughed. It was the messiest, silliest, and best day ever on the farm.
Buzz through color, jump and play, sing and laugh the JoJo way. Learning fun is here to stay. Jojo Bee.